Hello everyone, I am Usama HO here, and today we are going to make our first Java Hello World project. In order to do so, we must install the Java Development Kit JDK. Then we will install an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which is the place where we're gonna write code. In this tutorial, I'll be using IntelliJ IDEA, which is by far the most intelligent Java IDE right now. I really encourage you to use this IDE. Enough talking, let's jump straight to it. Open your browser, go to Google, and then search for Java JDK. And then choose the result from the official website of Oracle. Don't forget to accept the license agreements, and then choose the right version for your operating system. Download it. When the download completes, we will search for IntelliJ IDEA. Open your browser again, go to Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is a product made by a company called Jetbrains. By far, it's the most intelligent Java IDE right now. What does that mean? Well, it means that it will help you a lot when you are developing with Java. In order to download IntelliJ IDEA, we click on the download button. We can see here two versions of IntelliJ, a free version called Community and a paid version called Ultimate. There is a version for every operating system, macOS, Windows, or Linux. If we scroll to the bottom, we can see the difference between the two versions. But if you are a student, you can get the paid version for free. Just go to Google, search for IntelliJ IDEA for students. From the first link, we can sign up to get a free 1-year license to use all professional products of JetBrains. Hit apply now, and then you have 3 different methods to get this free license, either by using your university email address, or by your international student card, or using an official document by scanning it, then uploading it to the website. Enter your name and last name, and then apply to get the free license. Now we can close the browser and install the Java JDK. In order to do so, we double click on the DMG file, and then we double click on the package file, and we click continue to install it. Click install, then enter your password if you have one, and then click install. The process of installing is very straightforward, but in case of Windows, it's a little bit different. If you want to see how to install Java JDK on a Windows machine, you can check out the video in the description below. The process is the same for IntelliJ IDEA. You just double click on the file you downloaded, and then you keep clicking on the next button until the setup is properly done. Now let's open IntelliJ IDEA to write some code. From this window, you can create your first Java project by clicking on Create New Project. You have a lot of choices, but for now we will choose Java. We click on Next. We click on Next again, and then we enter the title of our project. In this case, it will be Java Hello World Project. Then we hit Finish, and then we will see this is the main user interface of IntelliJ IDEA. In the left side, we can see the title of our project, which is Java Hello World project, in which there is two folders, .idea folder and src folder, which is the blue one, stands for source folder. This is the folder that will contain our source code. Right-click on the source folder, click New and then Java class. Enter a significant name for the class, in this case main class, and then hit OK. You can see IntelliJ IDEA already generated some code for us, public class, main class. Okay, now we will write public static void main between parentheses string and two brackets and args, and then open curly braces, write down system dot out dot println, stands for print line, and then inside the parentheses write down hello world between quotation marks. In the left side you can see there is a small green arrow. It's for running the program. Click on the arrow and then hit Run Main Class. The result will be shown in the console window, and here it is, Hello World message printed in the console window. So what we have done here, we've created something called the main method in Java. It's the first thing that will be executed when you hit the run button in order to run your program. Even if you have thousands or millions lines of code, if you don't have the main method, your code will not run. Inside this method, we created a statement that will actually show the message that we have written inside the parentheses, which is hello world. In this part of the video, I will show you how to do the same project but only using IntelliJ IDEA's shortcuts. For instance, when I use a shortcut, a pop-up will appear and you will see the shortcut I used. In this case, I'm using Mac shortcuts, and what it does, and the equivalent of this shortcut in your operating system, Windows or Linux. Now, let's jump straight to it. When the project window appears, hit Command Up to show the project folders, navigate to Source folder, click Command N, then enter the class name, main class, hit enter, and then write down PSVM and click enter, then write down SOUT, then click enter, write down your message, hit Command 1 if you want to see the project inspector. To run the program, use Ctrl-Shift-R, and here we go, you got your message. And now we have finished. Thank you for watching. This is Usama HO here. See you in the next video.